Welcome to Insider Week. Great to have you here at our trading report this week. Before I start to discuss our results, I want to warmly invite you to our free webinar, which is going to be held on Tuesday, the 30th of September. Join us at 6:30 p.m. London time and get to know our trading opportunities for the month of September. Additionally, you can ask all your questions about our trading opportunities as well as our coaching program. Use the link below this video to register for the webinar on Tuesday. Let's get back on track and discuss the trading results for our commodity and futures trading according to COT data for week number 36. In the last week, we made a total profit of $770. This profit was solely produced by our champion strategy as well as our weather trading strategy. We did not take any trades in our COT strategy because, as mentioned in the last weeks, the CRB index, the commodity price index, went into a correction, and because of that, we decided to keep patient. So let's straight away look at our COT strategy too, the so-called champion strategy. We started into the week with an empty portfolio, and at the end of this week, we have one open position, namely 14 long contracts in sugar, with an open equity of minus $627. The performance of this week was a total profit of plus $5,150 in the champion strategy. Let's have a look at the trades. First market cocoa. This is the market where you can learn from our mistake. As you can see, the market moves in a sideways range. We speculated for a breakout of the price, and here you can see that that's not always so easy to do. As you can see, we were stopped out twice, and in such a case, it's better to keep on the sideline and wait for the price to break out until a healthy trend develops and then enter the market. From this market and from our example, you can learn. Next market is sugar. Here we have a long position in this market. As you can see, the market moves in a sideways range. The expected move to the upside did not take place. So we try to exit the market at break even or with a slight profit. This depends on how the market is opening on Monday. Next market is wheat. Here you can see that we took two trades. And the first trade was accompanied by a tight stop loss. And because of that, we were stopped out. The second trade was very successful. As you can see, we made good money with this trade. We had the right timing and used our entry pattern to enter this market. You have the chance to learn our entry patterns and our whole strategy by joining our coaching program. If you're interested in our coaching programs, we recommend to you to visit our free webinar on Tuesday evening. Register for the webinar by clicking on the link below this video. And if you're ready to intensively work in our coaching program, visit our website to contact us. Then we'll have our first free strategy call with you. Next, let's have a look at our weather trading strategy. As you can see, our weekly result was a loss of $4,380. The market is recovering, and because of that, we want to take the chance to clean up our portfolio here. Market by market, we want to exit the commodity stocks. This is our plan for the next weeks. Let's have a look at the weather trades. First market cocoa. Here you can see a similar picture as in our champion strategy. As you can see, we traded this market twice and we were stopped out twice because the market moves in a range. The breakout to the upside didn't take place. In rough rice, we were stopped out as well. The market is very volatile and our stop loss was quite tight. We were stopped out and we didn't manage to enter the market again. Currently, we're not holding an open position in rough rice. We want to change that because rough rice is an interesting market and we keep our eyes open for re-entry opportunity. Finally, there are our commodity stocks. These commodity stocks, as mentioned before, are recovering, and because of that, we aim to close these positions market by market in the next weeks. Finally, as always, let's have a look at the CRB index. The CRB index is the commodity price index. And as we can see, the price didn't bounce back from the new and higher trend line, but it broke through and now touches the old trend line again. We expect that then the price bounces back to the upside, such that we can see new uptrends in commodity prices that we can take on long trades. That's it from our side this week, and now we have a special offer for you. We are going to publish our daily trades from today until the 30th of November. This is 3 months where you can learn in detail from our daily trades. In order to profit from this one-time opportunity, you simply scan the QR code and join our Telegram group. We hope you can benefit from our present. Thank you for your attention, and as always, be aware of the risk, because risk management is the key to success in trading. See you at the next trading report.